Well, hello everybody, it's me from Macy Madhouse, and I made this gasifier stove a couple of days ago. It's been like a winter project that finally just got finished, but took the idea from a couple of different YouTube videos and tried to put this together to get somewhere near a bush buddy. As you can see, I've got the holes on the bottom here. I used a $3 paint can I bought over at Home Depot, and a Progresso soup can, and the only thing I need to make is something for the top, which I'm going to use a chicken can of chicken. So if you can look on the inside, you can kind of see the holes. I did take and do a little bit of extra work. The bottom holes are 1/2 inch, the top holes are 1/4 inch, but I did go through them with my Dremel, kind of grind out all the burrs and things like that. And then I thought a good idea was screwing the inside can to the outer can so it doesn't come apart when I'm traveling or transporting it. So I've got a lot of sticks here. I'm going to go ahead and give it a try, and we'll come back and see how it goes. So I've got the gasifier running. As you can kind of see from the video, the fire is actually coming out of the holes, not necessarily from the wood. You know, the idea of this is it's actually reburning the smoke so that it becomes a smokeless fire. These cans that you get from the paint store or from your local Home Depot or Lowe's or wherever you might pick them up from do have a coating inside, so you're going to want to make sure that you go ahead and burn this probably a couple of times before you take it out into the field, just to make certain that you burn that Teflon coating that's in there off, and you don't have any of that burning when you're actually cooking. But this seems to be working pretty good right now. It's got a good flame coming out of it, and you know, I think this is going to work out well. You got an endless supply of material to burn in these things. So when you build the top, you'll see, when I get that on the video, you'll see how, you know, continue to feed that as you're cooking. So if you have to cook something for longer than maybe just boiling some water, you could really kind of have as much time as you need. But the beauty of this is that it doesn't take up much space. The can's about 4 inches in diameter. It's probably 5 inches tall, so it'll take up a little bit of space in your bag, but again, you can cook virtually anything on it. You can see now I've got a great burn going. The fire and the flames are actually coming out of the gasifier holes that I drilled at the top, and I think this was a successful little project. Let me put a top that I built for another kind of test drive and show you how that looks. You can see this is the type of top that you're going to build. This one is actually for a smaller one that I made out of minced clams can, but the shredded chicken or tuna can is what I'm going to put on top of that. This will give it the right size to fit on there, nice and solid. But you can see where I've got that hole. We can go ahead and just kind of feed wood into the, it's smoke free, so I'll take it back. But you can see that it's just working perfectly. Hope you enjoyed this, and look forward to my next video. Thanks.